Hello and welcome to the FOMC Minutes preview from their September meeting. At that meeting they once again kept their rates unchanged and decided to taper their asset purchases down to $10 billion per month, leaving just $15 billion worth of bond buying going into October, where they are expected to end it there. However, this was largely expected, but the key thing from the FOMC statement that time was whether they would keep in the phrase considerable time in relation to when they first hike rates after the end of QE, which, as I said, is expected to end in October. So the FOMC did decide to keep that statement in. However, at the press conference following the decision, the Fed chair, Janet Yellen, did say that the Fed are likely to move to a more data-dependent forward guidance rather than time-based. So these minutes will likely shed any discussion on keeping that phrase in the statement that they released alongside their decision in September. Other things worth noting about with these minutes is the differing range of views on the Fed. There were two dissenters, Plosser and Fisher, at their latest decision, and the range of views for the Fed funds rate at the end of 2015 varies from 0.25%, which would be unchanged, up to 2.75%, which is likely those most hawkish members, Fisher and Plosser. So there will be a lot of differing views on the FOMC, and we'd like to see a discussion about where the median Fed funds rate is seen in the medium term. If the minutes do show a more hawkish tint, then we could see once again some upside in the dollar after the sell-off seen over the last 2 days. However, if it is a bit more dovish than expected, then equities could pull back after the low seen yesterday, where there was a bit of a sell-off in US equity markets, and we could see the dollar continue its correction lower after rising over the last couple of months. So once again, these minutes will be used to judge the timing of the first Fed funds rate hike, and also the speed and how the Fed sees they're going to hike rates when the time comes. Anyway, that's all from me. I'd like to thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.